Hello, little one. Are you ready for a story? Today, we will learn the wonderful tale of a bold, stubborn, and energetic little elephant named Kristian. Kristian has one little problem, though. He doesn't know how to handle losing. Do you want to know more about little Kristian? He is only a calf, but he is very competitive, and he could learn a thing or two about handling his emotions. His adventure has just begun, so make yourself comfortable and listen closely. For little Kristian, the day starts off very well. He brushes his teeth and showers himself using his amazing trunk. Being an elephant has many advantages. Little Kristian beats his big brother in their peanut butter sandwich eating contest every morning before school. Little Kristian never loses. He gets on the school bus first. He's the first to thank the driver for his excellent work, and always gets off before anyone else. Little Kristian is very competitive, and he never loses. Kristian is the first to get to class, and the first.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?